Welcome back to the channel, and more importantly welcome to a stunning and beautiful day in South Wales. The weather is absolutely glorious. I'm going to take you on a little spin around my local area, so South Wales and the Brecon Beacons. Now there is a reason for this video, it's not just a ride along. I do want a bit of help from some of you. So the bike I'm riding is a 2016 Triumph Speed Triple. It was one of the first models that came out with the changeable rider modes. So I'm looking for the help of people with this model or a model that has rider modes. It doesn't have to be a Triumph, you can be riding a different bike. So the modes that this bike has are Rain, Road, Sport, Track and Rider. All those modes are non-adjustable apart from the Rider mode. So I'm interested to find out how the bike feels for you when you use these different modes. Particularly Rider mode when ABS and traction control is turned off. Just a quick note that I take no responsibility for you turning your ABS and traction control off. This is purely voluntary. So I don't want to put words in people's mouths because I want your opinion of how the bike feels in these different modes. But I'm very interested in how smooth you think it feels in different modes, and if you feel the bike is being hampered by any of the rider modes, particularly ABS and traction control. So if you choose to get involved, give us some information about your bike, what model it is, what year it is, what extras you have on it, whether you've altered the ECU. So get involved, give us your opinion. I'll leave this video run for a couple of minutes so you can see the beauty of South Wales. So thanks for watching, please subscribe to the channel or give us a thumbs up.